Hey, do you know how to smoke a turkey? I know you do, but today I'm going to show you how to do a spatchcock turkey on RecTech 1250. And the recipe and method I'll show you allow you to cook this turkey, be nice and juicy, and get really good crispy skin. Ain't that pretty cool? So let's get to prepping so we get to cooking. Come on. All right, so what I've got right here is, you see I got a turkey. This is a 16-pound turkey. This was frozen. We put it in the refrigerator. We let it thaw out for about a week. Now I'm getting ready to spatchcock it. I'm gonna flip it over. So now I've got it flipped over just like this. And what I'm gonna do is just take my knife and go on both sides of the backbone and score it. Get down to the bone. Get your pair of shears, good kitchen shears. We're gonna come through here and just cut it out, both sides. What I'll do now is go here to the breastbone on the back and just break it. That way when I push it down, it'll fold out right. You can do this with a good knife if you want to. Pop it like this. Lay it flat just like that. Get any excess skin like that we don't want, go ahead and get rid of it. Same thing on this side. A little extra skin we don't necessarily need at the bottom, get rid of it. So now I'm gonna flip this over and season the back side first. So now my seasons we're gonna use them kind of old school. We're using Smoking Guns Hot and Cimarron Docks. It's a rib one, kind of good sweet, a little bit of heat to it. This here's the grandfather of all rubs. Go across top of it first with the Smoking Guns Hot. Then I'll come across it again with some Cimarron Docks. A little bit of heavy with it. So now I'm gonna put this on a rack. So I got this rack, I've got it set upside down so I can slide this in and out the smoker. To me, it makes it a little easier to deal with it. And then fold it right on over. I'm gonna take my wings I've got here because I want to get the color on my breast meat. I'm gonna take the wings and kind of tuck them up under it. Now, same rubs again. Smoking Guns Hot. Good heavy coat to it. And then go with Cimarron Docks. Real heavy coat with this one. So we'll put this on RecTech 1250. We got RecTech 1250 set at 235 degrees. I'm gonna let this go about 2.5 hours. What I want to do is kind of get an internal temperature around 110 to 120 degrees. 86 there. Let it keep cooking. About an hour and a half into it. At that time, we'll bump about 350 because I want to get this skin so it'll be good and crispy. I'm gonna spray a little bit of parquet butter on it. Usually I can't put enough butter where it's fine seasoned. Just a little bit on top of it. I'm gonna crank it up right now to about 350. Let it keep cooking. $134, looking good though. Button popped out of it. 179. A little bit more. I want to be 180 in the thighs. Looks good though. All right, it's been about another 15 minutes. Let's see where we at. Great color to it. Feels tender. 190. She ended up in a hurry on us. Gonna pull it off. Put it right on this pan and carry it inside. So I brought the turkey inside. It's been resting about 15 minutes. Just like that. So now I've got my breast kind of isolated. I'm just gonna slice some of it off. Nice and juicy. Pretty neat, ain't it? Picture of skin on it? No. So I'm gonna come right here, I'm gonna take some of this thigh meat, pop out that leg. I'm gonna come around the edges where the skin's at, cut me a piece of it off there. Cheers. So I'm tasting that heat from that smoking gun's hot. I'm also tasting that sweetness from the Cimarron docks. And then I'm getting that wood smoky flavor from the RecTech 1250. That gives me that old school barbecue flavor that I was going for with the spatchcock turkey. I'm telling you, on the RecTech 1250, we cooked at a lower temperature, and then we bumped it up to a higher temperature and got us crispy skin. You can't get it no simpler, no easier than that. It's really, truly an easy process. This color got a little darker than I necessarily wanted it to. However, I'm not tasting any char to it, so it's not really hurting anything. For presentation, it might be a little bit darker, but again, it's not really hurting anything. I'd rather it be good and crispy than not be crispy and be chewy, and we're not chewy, we're definitely crispy. The breast has got a ton of moisture into it. The thigh meat right here that's got the dark meat, it's got more moisture into it, which is normal because it's a dark piece of meat. But again, it's a very simple recipe. Take this, carry it home, and check it out. I promise you, do this a few times, you'll fall in love with it because it's very simple. If you like this video, do us a favor. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how you cook your turkey, and if you try this recipe, how it turned out for you. I'd be interested to know about it. And again, follow us on all social media. All that being stated, we're going to go inside and say the blessing and eat. But first, we'll let Miss Dolly try it and Miss Lucy. Let's let them try it. Dolly, Lucy. Dolly, good girl. Lucy. Lucy's biting my fingers. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll say the blessing. Lord, bless the food by receive. Just name and pray. Amen.